Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a color correction on a mannequin head. So I colored her hair using permanent colors, demise and direct dyes, and today I'm going to bleach the whole hair to see how each of these colors are going to lighten. Also, stay tuned that in a following video I'm going to post her new look, for which I'm going to use direct dyes to create a color melt. So today I'm starting by sectioning the hair into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, 2 big ones in the back. And to lighten her hair I'm going to use Vario Super Plus from Schwarzkopf with 1.9% developer, because when I first worked on her hair she was blonde, so her hair is very sensitive. Okay, so I'm starting my application from the back, and to lighten all her hair very evenly I'm going to take very thin sections back to back in a horizontal manner, and I will also make sure to saturate the hair 100% like cover everything besides the roots. When I apply the product, I'm leaving out the roots. I don't need to lighten them in this case scenario because I'm going to do a color melt on her that is starting from pretty dark red or purple, so I'm just gonna avoid touching the scalp. If I would have done this on a client that wants to go 100% blonde, I would do the same thing, just right after I finish the foil application, I would go back and apply lightener at the roots too. But for now, I just need to lighten the length and the ends. Once I'm done with the back, I continue my application from the sides, and then I'll do the top. Because this is a lot of work, of course it takes a lot of time. So for this mannequin head, it took me about 2 hours to apply all these foils, but I really took very thin sections, and that's the only way to get the best result with lightening hair. Almost done with application. Now I'm working to lighten the bangs too. The same, I'm taking very thin sections. I would use this technique for a platinum card application. So if you want to take someone from dark to platinum, if they have virgin hair, this is the way to go. To make sure that the hair is lightened evenly, you have to work on very thin section, and the heat of the foils helps with lightening evenly. So that's the best way to take someone blonde, not just applying the bleach like regular color without foils. It's going to look pretty good at the end, even with the foils. I find this technique very creative and artistic, so stay tuned to see the end. She has been processed and now it's time to wash her hair. A little bit of hair did fall out, but she's fine. So this is the end result, and I cannot wait to do a color melt on it, so stay tuned for the next video.